Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's NA Charles here. Alright, basically I'm doing this video because my previous video has actually stirred up a lot of you asking me how to get quality leads online that you can use for cold email marketing and all like that, just like this person here. Alright, he actually said, please, how can we get quality cold emails? And that is what this video is all about. I'm going to reveal to you not just one, not just two, but different ways on how you yourself can start getting thousands of leads all for yourself, right? So, and these leads can be converted into clients, people who would basically give you money for your service or for a product that you are basically offering to them, right? Because that is the aim of everything. The aim of every leads is that they convert. You want them to make sure that they convert. So the aim is to get them to convert into paying clients. So I'm going to reveal to you ways on how you can get all these guys. All right, so let's just talk about leads itself, right? So one of the reasons why we actually validate leads is on how quality they are. All right, where you get them from basically determines how quality your leads can be. You get what I'm trying to say, right? So when we have leads gotten from certain places, all right, we can tell you that okay, of course majority of the leads coming from this particular place are all going to be quality leads, right? It's one of the ways you can actually get your leads. One of the ways you can get leads is through Google Maps. All right, so there are many ways you can actually get your leads, but one of the ways is you can get it through Google Maps. All right, and I've made countless of videos here on my channel where I talk about this very great tool here called Lead Sniper, right? So I actually make use of Lead Sniper a lot, and some of my videos has actually been on the application itself, like teaching you guys how to use it and some of the capabilities and the capacity this software can basically do, right? So Google Maps is actually one of the fastest and the most easiest way a lot of people prefer in getting their leads. And me myself, I have actually worked with clients who requested that I get them leads or client from Google Maps. All right, so you have to be very, very sure to use Google Maps when it comes to generating leads. And the Lead Sniper tool also is one of the greatest tool, all right, amongst all that you can use. I'm telling you the truth, that you can use in getting leads directly from Google Maps. You see, originally this tool was created, all right, to help you extract leads from Google Maps. All right, that is the main aim of designing or of having the software built up. So those of you who would actually want to use Lead Sniper to get leads from Google Maps, it's all simple. It's all simple. Once you are here on Lead Sniper, right, you can see this is Lead Sniper, and you want to just install this tool as an extension. It works as an extension, and it helps you script, all right, based on your preferences, just like this. Now let me just open up the software. You can see this is the software. I'm going to open this up right now, and you can see this is actually what it looks like, right? If you are very, very conversant on my channel, you would know I talk about a lot about this software. So I can just go ahead and input something. Maybe I want to search for doctors. Let me use the word, or hospitals. Yeah, hospitals. Let's say hospitals. All right, maybe hospitals in let's say hospitals in United States of America. All right, I can also be deep. I can be like, okay, maybe hospitals in Alabama. All right, I can also be deep and be like hospitals in New York. So it all depends on your preferences. No matter where you want to get your leads from, this tool is capable of helping you get it. And remember that Google Maps is just one method, one way of you finding your leads. I will share with you so many other ways that you can use in getting quality leads. All right, remember I told you that where you get your leads determine, right, how quality they are. So Google Maps is actually one of the fastest, all right, and a quality way of you getting your leads. Why? Because every person registered on Google, or every person who has their business displayed on Google Maps, you can say that majority of them are all verified by Google. Yes, because for you to actually have your business displayed here and listed on Google, it means that you are verified by Google. So if you are basically verified, it means that you have all the necessary information, all right, attached to your profile, such as your email address, such as your number, such as your website, and all like that. So all those things, Google will verify them before they have you listed. So here on Lead Sniper, I can just go ahead and input as many as I want to. That is how powerful the software can be. Remember, I'm not trying to promote the software to you. I'm only telling you that when you want to get your leads from Google Maps based on the quality of leads you'll be getting from there, you can use those tools. There are other tools out there that you can make use of, and I recommend you go search for. I'm only telling you because I make use of this a lot. If I go to my leads profile, many of the leads I share with you guys all are from Lead Sniper. So if I go ahead and click on start, so what this thing does that it begins to scrape Google Maps, all right, and it begins to help me extract necessary information such as the company's name, the company's email address, their phone number, even to their street, their very street where they are located. So if I also want to reach out to them physically, I might decide to go to their location, maybe their head office and all like that. So it is a very powerful tool to use, a very, very powerful tool to use, and I recommend you guys use Google Maps, all right, in getting your leads, right? So when you have Google Maps, all right, as one source of finding your leads, you can also try out lead database. I call them lead database. Why? Because they originally get all these leads, okay, and they put them into a database for you and I who are interested, all right. And I'm talking about databases such as Instantly, all right. So instantly.ai is actually one good place where you can find quality leads, because every of the leads that they get to put in their database, they are all verified through some certain medium, right? You also have Instantly, and you see they have a free version as well, and you can also go for a paid version. All depends on the quality, the quantity, not quality now, because all the leads are quality, but quantity. How many do you want? So if you want much more, all right, you would have to go for a paid plan. But I think they have a free plan that can get you hundreds of emails, if I'm not mistaken, around hundreds of emails and client like that. So instantly.ai is actually one of the lead database. Remember, Google Maps is one, lead database is another source, and we have instantly.ai as a tool that can help you get leads from all these things. We also have Apollo, all right? We also have Apollo. So Apollo also, I think I would make a dedicated video on each and every of those tools just to help you guys get to understand much more and how to use them properly, right? But let me go ahead and just clarify. Those of you who might actually want to just go on your own and make more findings, right? So, but me myself, I'm going to take it upon myself to create a video dedicated for each and every of the software, so that you guys can actually see how it works and have some of the pros and the cons of each and every of the software. So we also have Apollo, all right? So Apollo is also a lead database. So I want you to get that these people are not giving you fresh leads, all right? They are leads of people who have been there before, right? So, and it's possible that the both of us, you and me, get the same lead. So let's say we are targeting hospitals in United States. It's possible that you get the same person that I am also getting. Why? Because these leads are all in one place. You get what I'm trying to say? They are all in one place. So we have the probability, all right, of having the same people, having the same clients. So maybe you're a web designer, I'm also a web designer. We can also reach out to the same persons. So you get, and that is one of the con, about all the softwares, because, you see, I don't know how they get to refresh their database, how they get to add in more people, right? But I just feel you can be limited to having the same persons starting from January, and the same person you will still be meeting on the software when it is December. I don't know how frequently they get to update their database, but from my time of using most of them, I realized that after months I still come back that I need fresh leads. I still get the same persons that I've been getting. Try as possible to always follow through my videos, because there are certain things that you would need to know before you jump into any of those softwares. I can't be held responsible if you go out there and you were not so patient to watch all through, and you went out there and you discovered something that I also shared, but you did not just know because you did not stay for a long period of time. That would not be too good, right? So I want you to know that I've been using this lead database for a while, and like I said, most of the leads I get from January, if I still come back sometime, I will still be meeting those same leads there, and it's not really a good thing, all right? It's not really a good thing. So lead database is one place you can also get quality leads for yourself. So apart from Google Maps, many people don't like Google Maps. Why? Because they feel they will get a lot of persons, but people need specific people. I need persons from this, quality people from this and that. So you can actually try out lead database, and Apollo and Instantly and are one great places for you to check out, right? So apart from this lead database, we also have true social media handles, and I was also a fan of this for quite a bit of time. I was making use of social media handles to get my leads. For myself and even for my client, I'll go through on Facebook, I'll go through on Twitter, I'll go through on TikTok, wherever I want them to be from. I go there, I actually go to their account profile, and I actually sort for their emails or maybe their phone contact or anyhow I can use in contacting them, right? And you see, this thing can be really tedious. I mean, it can be very tedious. So apart from you just doing it manually, you can actually use the software to get all of that. For instance, let's say on Facebook, I might decide I want to get Gnosis, maybe the data of Gnosis on Facebook. So I instead of me just doing it manually by going through on Facebook and start searching for Gnosis and look for profiles, now extracting their emails, I mean, I'm going to be very slow and I'll be limited to how many leads I can get. Am I correct? Now, good. So if you can make use of the software, would that not be better? So Lead Sniper actually has this other one here, all right, that actually helps you get emails from specific social media site. So you can be like, you want to get leads from maybe Facebook, leads from Twitter, leads from Reddit, YouTube, Pinterest. It doesn't really matter where you want to get your leads from. This software, all right, does it for you. So you just have to input the details, all right, of the leads you want to get, and also just choose the exact social media site you want to get them from. That's it. It's all simple. All simple. So no stress. She just click on play. And see, you can see, if I go ahead and click on start now, okay, if I click on start now, right now, you can see that you can see that all data here are based on Facebook. You can see all Facebook profiles, social media, profiles of Facebook guys, groups, and all of that. Everything would just follow your preference, and it will start spitting out their details, such as their name, email address, phone contact, and many other things like that. So you can use Facebook to actually get a lot of leads, and Lead Sniper can also be a tool to help you with that. So try out Lead Sniper if you want to. Please always know that, okay, there are other tools out there that you can use, or I'm not disputing that fact. You can go online and search for maybe Facebook profile finder, anything that will just give you the software you're making use of. But me, I tell you what I am using, I tell you what I do every day, guys. It's very easy. So you have Google Maps, number 1. Number 2, you have Lead Database. Okay, number 3, you also have True Social Media site. Remember that where you get your leads really matter, right? It really matters. And I showed you that Google Maps is one place you can get yours. I mean, quality leads, because for you to be verified on Google, it means that you have met Google standard. All right, Google, not every business you can find on Google Maps. People who are there are people who are qualified to be there. So they have all their details well arranged and well validated. So it's possible for you to use this, okay, as an advantage to you, for you rather, in getting the leads you want for yourself. And also lead database such as Instantly and Apollo, they have already gotten the data for you, and they now put it into a box whereby you just have to come in and pick the one you want and go back. So whenever you need leads, you go back, you pick the one you want, and you come back. So the downside to this is that you can actually get the same leads of last month. You can still have them there. So how they refresh their database, I don't know about that. How long it takes for them to refresh the database, I don't just know about that. But you can actually get the lead for today, and if you come back, in 5 days time, it will still be the same people that you have met that will still be there. All right, and you can also try our social media site, and I shared with you that this tool here, Lead Sniper 2, helps you with that. Helps you from social media such as Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. Doesn't matter where you want to get them from. Just input your details and boom, you get all the leads you want for yourself. So now I want to do this as a bonus tip for those of you, okay? If you want to learn how to verify your leads, it is very important. See, the assurance you get from all this website, okay? You'd have to assure yourself by validating every of your emails. That is what makes it quality, because even if this person has a good profile picture and a good profile looking and all like that, you still want to go ahead and verify if this email address of the person is still active, or maybe the phone number, or maybe their social media handles, maybe they are still active. All right, and that is why I'm going to be leaving this video. See, this very video here of mine on the channel displayed here is going to feature you how to validate all the emails you get. Okay, so from every of these places I just shared with you, from every place I just shared with you, such as Google Maps, the database, and all like that, you need to verify all those emails. So you can actually watch out this video right now to learn how to verify all your emails. So I'll see you in that video. Please note that quality emails needs to be quality, right? So you have to make sure that you are validating your emails from time to time. So more videos about this, if I get to see them, I get to share them with you. Thank you all so much for watching, and please go watch how to validate your emails, all right? Because you need to assure yourself that they are well validated. And I'll see you in that video. Take care of yourself, and bye.